Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna do comparison between two smartphone. Here it is a Realme 12 Plus and here it is Motorola Moto G35 5G smartphone. So let's start the video. Here it is box and you can see in this, here it is Realme. Friends, you can see in this Realme smartphone, here it is 8 GB 128 GB storage, and in this Motorola, here it is 4 GB and 128 GB storage, and both have 5000 mAh battery. So let's start the phone, and first let's talk about the smoothness of the display. You can see here it has the smooth screen. Let's click on search and here it is setting. Click on this and let's write here a refresh rate. Here it is. Let's click on and you will see here it is not showing. In this you will see here it is 120 Hz of refresh rate. Let's open the app also. Here it is Play Store. Let's open it and you can see both opens in equal time like this. And let's open the camera. And friends, you can see here you will see 0.6 zoom in Realme and 0.5x zoom, 1x zoom and 2x zoom. In these feature you will get a night street mode. You will see here it is street mode, video, photo, portrait, more. And in more you will see some extra features like pro mode, pano, high res and macro, film, slow-mo, time-lapse, long exposure, dual view video, text, scanner, group portrait and tilt shift. These are the features, and in your Motorola you will see slow motion, video, photo, portrait, QR code, pro mode and panorama, time-lapse and night vision. These are the features you can see in your phone. And here it is video. Let's check the video quality. You can record 4K video recording in your Motorola smartphone, and let's check in the this Realme one. So here you will also get 4K at 30 fps. You can see that. Let's see the security features also. Let's open the settings. Here it is. Then you have to simply scroll down and you will see here it is about device. Click on about device and you can see here it is the processor is MediaTek Dimensity 7050 in your Realme, and in your Motorola you will see CPU is Unisoc T760, and you can extend the RAM also in both the mobile phones. In Realme you will see you can extend up to 8 GB, and in your Motorola you can also add 8 GB. That is the good part in both smartphones. And you can see here it is the storage, and here it is Android version is 14. Let's check the security features also. You have to click on this security and privacy. Here it is security and privacy. Then click on device unlock, and here it is screen lock, face and fingerprint lock. And in this same as that, screen lock, fingerprint and face lock both have same features. And let's press back and come to the voice and do the voice. Here it is. Let's do the test of the speakers. Here you have to click on search, then type here NCS, and it is the Motorola one. and this is the Realme one.
अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ नए लेंस शेयर करें।
You can see that this is the full volume. Friends, you can see that the speaker quality have both the smartphone have very good, but personally I like the Realme one. This base is very good, and you can comment down which one is good also. Both the smartphone have very good speakers and bass also. Let's do the quick video test also. Here it is. Just write here video and 4K. And here it is, the Motorola. And in this you will see here it is the Realme one. Both have very good screen, and you can check the quality also. Here it is the Motorola, and you can watch video in 1080 pixel at 60 fps plus HDR. And this is the Motorola, and this is the Realme one also. You can just click on setting, quality, advanced, and in this you will you can see 2160 pixel at 60 fps plus HDR. This is the better quality than this. You can see here it is. Comment down which phone you like it. I hope you like this comparison video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.